We get these kind of questions all the time, and that is, how do I protect myself from being legally, if not physically, attacked by other beneficiaries or people that would have been beneficiaries, but for the estate plan giving me more or all of it. So in this case, this individual is saying, how do I protect my inheritance from my stepfather's two biological children if he's wanting to leave me his $1 million home? And the first step to that is that the stepfather should have a competent estate planning and elder law attorney who drafts the documents, does a comprehensive competency examination to make sure that stepdad knows exactly what he wants, why he wants it, and that he has the requisite legal capacity to make that decision and to cut out his biological children. Because that situation is ripe for a challenge. And one of the first challenges will be, from his biological children, that our dad had dementia or he was senile. He didn't know what he was doing. And so the stepson coerced him or tricked him or, threatened him or whatever the case may be into leaving them the home instead of us, and we're his natural children. So having a quality elder law attorney in the process will go a long way to prevent challenges. And if a challenge does happen, they could testify to the judge like, hey, judge, this was my client. I knew him or her. They certainly had legal capacity at the time they did this, and they didn't like their kids, and their kids were, pieces of crap, and so they didn't want to leave anything to them. That is the first step. The second thing is, when you get $1 million inheritance, you should immediately work with either a financial planner if you're receiving liquid or investment assets, or an estate planner to safeguard this $1 million property from potentially your own creditor. So an asset protection trust might be appropriate. If you're going to live in the house, then depending on your state, you may or may not need to put it into a trust. But having attorneys on both sides of the transaction is a good idea. Stepfather will be safeguarded that he did the right thing and understood what he was doing, and you, as the person inheriting, you are protected by your own attorney that you did not engage in any inappropriate behavior to get an inheritance, and then once you get it, protect it from legal challenges. Have a great day.